Poems of Charlotte Smith. The night flood rakes. The night flood rakes upon the stony shore, along the rugged cliffs and chalky caves, mourns the hoarse ocean, seeming to deplore all that are buried in his restless waves. Mined by corrosive tides, the hollow rock falls prone, and rushing from its turfy height, shakes the broad beach with long resounding shock, loud thundering on the ear of sullen night. Above the desolate and stormy deep gleams the wan moon, the floating mist oppressed. Yet here, while youth and health and labor sleep, alone I wander, calm, untroubled rest, nature's soft nurse, deserts the sigh-swollen breast, and shuns the eyes that only wake to weep.